Changing the keypad of AC900. Unscrew the star shape at the bottom of the AC900 reader by using screwdriver provided. Remove the steel backplate. Unscrew the 4 screws from the backplate. Unplug the core board from the main controller unit. There are total 6 screws. Tighten the main controller unit inside the reader. Unscrew the screws. Unplug the connector from main controller unit. Unplug the flexi-flat cable connected from keypad board. Take the main controller unit out from the reader. Remove the 4 screws from the keypad board. Remove the keypad board. Remove the keypad and replace with a new keypad. Now locate the keypad board in its position and screw all the screws. Tighten up all the screws. Now locate the main controller unit back to its position. Connect the flexi-flat cable from keypad board back to main controller unit. Plug the connector and LED back to main controller unit. Tighten back all screws to locate the main controller unit properly. Plug the core board firmly on the main controller unit. Cover with the backplate and tighten all 4 screws. Cover with the stay backplate and tighten the screw. Now power on the reader to test.